Well, hi there. We're back here with a little bonus product introduction here from AJA. This is our DRM2-Plus. We actually announced this at Infocom in the US a few months back, but it's a really cool thing to highlight here because I'm not sure a lot of people know that AJA makes it. What this actually is a 3-rack unit frame for our mini converters, and depending on the mini converters that you put in here, you can actually have up to 24 of them installed, and then there's a dual redundant power supply that provides power to all of them, and if one of the power supplies fails, it automatically switches over. You don't lose your signal. So as you can see, it's just a really great little utility tool for our mini converters. And it'll even fit our latest big mini converters in there. Things like the UDC 4K and the IP25R. You could put up to 6 of these in there. Or converters like our Hi-Fi 12G or Ha-Fi 12G. You can fit up to 12 of them. Or something like our smaller Hi-Fives and Ha-Fives or our little FiDO converters. You can fit up to 24 of them in there. So that's a lot of conversion power packed into 3 rack units. There's forced air cooling coming through the front panel. There's a USB hub so that you can connect all of your USB ports on all your mini converters to the hub, and then just connect one USB to the hub itself to control all your mini converters. Super convenient product that I love showing people because it's just cool, and it's cool looking too. Fun fact, the guy that designed the mechanical design for this actually makes parts for Formula 1 cars, so this was just kind of his little side job, so that's why it looks so cool. So just thought I'd throw that out there because the DRM2-Plus is something that we're actually pretty passionate about, especially me myself as someone who's frequently installing our gear. I love convenient tools just like the DRM2-Plus.